Hey guys, LegalLockPIcker here, and welcome to today's episode. We're going to take a look at this Unity bike lock. It's one of the U-locks that you see here. Of course, this is where the key goes. It's machined out of one solid bar of steel. At least this part is, and then obviously it's got this fancy chrome job over it. This is the key right here. Nothing spectacular. Push it in, turns, and it works pretty well. It's actually, for all intents and purposes, a $10 lock. It's at least the appearance of it and the weight of it is pretty good. All you have to do is when you turn the key, if you look on the inside here, it has a rotating bolt locking mechanism, which means when the key turns, that little bolt engages here, and of course it connects these two, so you can't pull it out or shim it out or anything like that. You have to actually turn the key. So what we're going to do is pick it open and see what this lock has to offer. Now we're going to use top of the keyway tension here and a short hook from LegalLock Tools. Alright, getting a little feedback on 4, 2, I am going to show you, of course, once this is open, why this lock is just horrible. And I'm going to show you why the single pin picking might take longer, but you'll see why in a minute. Seems to be, I think I finally tossed the pin out in 5. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm referring to in a second here. I'm going to take this rake, turn it. Alright, so got that out of the way, raked it open, took only 2 seconds, and I am going to show you why single pin picking it was difficult at this second. It felt like there was a little log jam. See, once you put this wrench all the way down there, you pull this out. Okay, see how it just falls right out? See, this is part of the problem having when I was single pin picking it. You can see it's obviously gunked up here, and sometimes the springs get caught in this junk. So you see how it's just loose here? Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what that is, but if you were doing it like I was doing, if you were practicing picking it or anything like that, and this falls in and the springs pop out, then you've got a real problem on your hands. So, you know, after a long time use with your key or picking or anything like that, and then all of a sudden it doesn't work, well, that's